Hi guys, I'd like to introduce today my homemade wooden lathe. I did this a while ago and it's worked perfectly, has length. I could turn stuff as long as 190 centimeter. The full length of it's 210 centimeters. Of course the head shop I had to go buy it from store. And this one here, I found it in the garage sale, but of course I had to go to iron shop to get it customized. This one here too, I customized it here. I just had to go to iron shop just to get it here together. And the rest was homemade. It worked perfectly. And this one here, you can see how it does work. And this here, I can have long range, I could move it. And this works perfectly here. This one here, it full function, work perfect. And of course, these two, and the power. Of course, I had to go and buy a converter to be able to control the power. The motor on it, it's about 1.5 horsepower and worked perfect. I had no problem with it. And here I could control the speed. I put the converter a little bit high so dust do not affect it. I could see the speed I'm working on. And it's easy, just goes like this. This is the start button. And this is the speed. I can control the speed. And it's worked perfect. And this is the stop button right here. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope this demonstration helping you. If you like, guys, build your own lathe. And if you like my video, just thumb up and subscribe. Thank you.